Schösswender is a dining set specialist located in Franken, Austria. With a team of 190 employees, we customize tailor-made corner seatings. When we started working on solid wood furniture, we faced some problems. So we decided to work with Merlin. Now these problems are under control. According to calculations, the air humidification system has paid itself off in less than a year. After 13 years of operation, the system is completely reliable. We don't have any problems and we can recommend it in good conscience. The quality of the solid wood furniture has really improved drastically. Complaints have reduced and the room climate for our employees is brilliant.